Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right there in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to our Quora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. So, guys, these are the assets checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. First of all, I will be doing my analysis on 15 minutes time frame. If there is any reason for me to do confirmation on higher time frame, I'm going to let you know, okay? And I'm using the custom made indicator, trend milker indicator, okay? So now let's go straight into this right away. This has been an uptrend for a while, but got to this resistance zone and looks like it was not going to break out from here. Okay, we had this setup and it didn't get, it didn't activate it at this point. So it went back to break out above the resistance zone and you can see it buying. Okay, so when there is a breakout, there will always be a reason for it to go in that direction for a very long time or for a while. So you can see it buying right now. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 had also been on uptrend, broke out from this resistance zone to buy more. Each time there is a breakout, it is an opportunity for the market to go in that direction for a while. And as you can see, this is still buying. So definitely we're going to highlight the resistance zone again to see if it will break out above it. Okay. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 9. Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. We also add this setup and all the TPs have been achieved. TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this has been an uptrend for a very long time and it is still buying just the way we are saying it. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity also than a selling opportunity. Not until it is unable to break out from the next resistance zone, that is when it's going to sell. So right now, this is Paynex 999. Paynex 999, you can see it playing around there for a very long time. We had the setup, okay, and of course, I'm going to give us the setup so that we will see what we can achieve from here. Okay, so um, this is trying to go back on uptrend right now. It is trying to go back on uptrend, okay? Even though it got to this region and it had this pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, then this is most likely to be your entry point. And of course, you can put your stop loss somewhere here, okay? Your stop loss somewhere here. Then we can have some highlighted TPs for ourselves, okay? This is one. Then this is another one, okay? So I'm expecting it to get to this region if it goes in our direction. Okay, so these are some highlighted TPs for ourselves. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity, most especially once it is done with this pullback. The only reason why it will not buy is if it breaks out below this support zone. Okay, so this is going to be the entry point. Let's wait until it hits it. So we also expect more buying opportunity from. So the next asset is going to be our FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. Okay, FX volume 80 has actually gotten to this resistance and you can see it playing around here. Okay, we don't know if it's going to break out above the resistance zone or not. Okay, but in case it's unable to break out from there, I'm expecting it to activate a sell signal somewhere around there. That is after giving us a clear downtrend signal, and the resistance zone can still stand as the entry point for as the point for stop loss. Okay, Then we can highlight some TPs for ourselves if this work out well. So you can see some TPs being highlighted right now. So guys, this is it, guys. This is it. So if it does not break out above this resistance zone and it's activated this entry point, then we expect it to sell and we might achieve all these highlighted TPs right from here. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course, make sure you understand the strategy very well before you start using it on your real account. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Thank you.